The pond has overfilled. Oh Jesus, I gotta go inside. And the neighbors are already flooded completely.
Early Wednesday morning, the atmosphere in Vado, New Mexico, was filled with mud and anxiety. Torrential rains, exceeding 5-centimeter part of the monsoon season, flooded the dry region, turning streets into raging rivers that swept through 600 homes. Emergency responders from Doña Ana Fire Rescue, the Sheriff's Office, and Swiftwater Team, the National Guard, the Red Cross, and the Mesilla Valley Search and Rescue moved quickly, rescuing more than 20 people and pets from the strong currents.
In El Paso, bad. This is crazy.
Several residents were rushed to the hospital with minor injuries. The evacuation center at the Vado, Del Cerro Community Center, served as a temporary shelter, housing dozens of families, while hundreds more awaited relocation. At dawn, damage assessment teams mapped over 110 affected homes, with hundreds experiencing temporary power outages, and many local roads still covered in mud.
Well, anybody want to come fishing?